Good morning. This is Dr. Morse, and this is tutorial number 18. Today we're talking about the chromatic scale, okay? So the chromatic scale is our first scale, and before we get to that, let's define what a scale is. According to your book, a series of notes that move in a consistent direction and begin and end on the same note is called a scale, okay? So if it goes consistently up, okay, and it begins and ends on a C or another note that is the same, it is considered a scale. It will not change directions as it goes up. It will not change directions as it goes down. It won't just have a down note and then an up note and then another up note. No, it will have consistently going up. Okay. Now, our very first scale is the chromatic scale, and the chromatic scale moves up by half steps and down, and it can begin on any note. Okay, I like that definition just fine. It has 12 notes. Okay, that would be 12 notes, and I even said 12 note names. Okay, um, the ascending chromatic scale, which means ascending is a fancy word for going up, can be written with sharps to help point in the upper direction of the scale. I kind of like that. Okay, I don't disagree with that. I said, yeah, it can make sense, not always. Okay, so if you're going up and you use sharps, it's very easy to see, okay, raise this, okay? It makes sense. Just be used to it that you're going to see it going up with flats sometimes. It's not very consistent. Make sure you know where your two white keys are, okay? There's E and F right there, and then there's B and C right there, okay? I don't want to see an E sharp and then another and then F and then F sharp. Okay, you're adding an extra note because you don't understand the layout of the keyboard, okay? Now, the same thing goes for the descending chromatic scale. Again, descending is a fancy word for going down, but you probably already knew that, okay? And you can see it descending here. Again, where are your white keys? Your white keys are here, and your white keys are here. There's one thing we need to know here in addition, and that is one octave of your chromatic scale, okay? Every single note, and going in a consistent direction, not changing directions mid-scale or anything like that, only at the top, okay? All right, so this has been Dr. Morse talking about the chromatic scale and out of Berkeley Music Theory Book 1, lesson number 18. Thank you.